Hey guys! For today's vlog ay ituturo ko kung paano ang step-by-step na pag-create ng Union Bank Online. Pero bago yan ay bakit nga ba kailangan na mag-create ng Union Bank Online ang mga Citibank users o yung mga may account sa Citibank? Ang sabi dito, please note that Citibank Online and the Citi Mobile app will no longer be available upon the migration to the Union Bank system. Meaning to say ay hindi na po natin magagamit ang ating Citibank Online at Citi Mobile app once the migration is completed. And at the end of this video, I will share what I like or dislike about this app and give some reminders about Citibank migration to Union Bank. So then, let's get started. First, you have to download the Union Bank Online. When it's done installing, open the app and click the Accept button at the upper right corner of the screen. And then you have to select an account. So mine is Citibank credit card. And you have to input your 16-digit credit card number that you will find at the back of your credit card. Once you're done, click Next. At magsasend sila sa inyo ng OTP o one-time password sa cellphone number na nakaregister sa inyong Citibank credit card. After that ay magka-create kayo ng username or gagamitin ninyo yung username ninyo sa inyong Citibank. Pagkatapos nun ay magka-create din kayo ng bagong password na gagamitin ninyo sa pagla-login sa inyong Union Bank Online app. Dito ay pipili lang kayo sa options ng name ninyo na mag-a-appear sa inyong Union Bank app. And then click Submit and then go to Dashboard. So, wala akong maipapakitang dashboard because they don't allow me to record it for my account privacy and protection. At ito na nga yung kanilang paalala na starting March 22, 2024, please use Union Bank or Union Bank of the Philippines as a biller when paying for your Citi credit card or personal loan dues. And last, here's a checklist to know if you have successfully created your profile sa Union Bank Online app ninyo. So kapag nakalagin na kayo sa Union Bank Online app ninyo ay ang makikita nyo sa dashboard ay ang katumbas ng Union Bank product. For example, sa nakikita nyo dyan ay kung mayroon akong Citi Simplicity card or credit card, ang nakalagay ay letter U.